Demystifying Essay Questions, a Guide to Success. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most common and sometimes challenging test formats: essay questions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect and how to approach essay questions with confidence. So, let's get started. Essay questions require you to provide a detailed, structured answer using your own words, rather than choosing from pre-given options. These types of questions test your ability to understand a specific topic in depth, organize your thoughts, present information in a coherent and logical manner, use English language skills effectively. There are a few reasons why essay questions are included in tests. 1. Depth of knowledge. They allow examiners to assess not just what you know, but how deeply you understand a topic. 2. Analytical skills. Essay questions test your ability to analyze information, draw conclusions, and present an argument. 3. Language proficiency. Writing essays helps demonstrate your command of the English language, including grammar, vocabulary, and coherence. Here are some features you might encounter. Prompt or statement. This is where the question sets the context and explains what you need to address in your answer. Keywords. Words like discuss, compare, contrast, describe, and analyze give clues on how to approach your answer. Word limit. Some essay questions might specify a word count. It's crucial to stay within this limit while ensuring your answer is complete. 1. Read carefully. Before you start writing, read the question multiple times to fully understand what's being asked. 2. Plan your answer. Make a brief outline of the points you want to cover. This will help you stay on track. 3. Be structured. Start with an introduction, followed by the body of your essay, and conclude by summarizing your main points. 4. Stay relevant. Stick to the topic. Avoid including irrelevant information. 5. Proofread. After writing, take a few minutes to review your essay for any grammatical or spelling errors. And there we have it. A comprehensive look at essay questions. Remember, like any skill, essay writing gets better with practice. So, keep honing your skills, stay focused, and you'll be mastering essay questions in no time. I hope this video has been helpful, and I wish you success in your English learning journey. Until next time.